Just wanted to touch on one more thing in PageSpeed Insights that I saw besides the font sizes and the viewport. When I was done with the Smush It plugin that we use to compress our images, there were still 3 photos that could have been smaller, at least Google thought so. And this can be for one of 2 reasons. One is that the Smush It plugin doesn't always compress the photos as much as completely possible. The second reason could be that it doesn't or it won't compress images that are larger than 1 megabyte. That's the absolute maximum for the plugin. With these 3 images, what you can do is you can compress them manually. So if we go into our WordPress dashboard, you'll see the little message here. This one was larger than 1 megabyte. You might want to compress that manually. And what you can do is, if it's a PNG file, there's a website called tinypng.com. And if you go to the website, all you have to do is, assuming you still have these images or photos on your computer, is just click the button and then upload them, and it'll compress them further. Now you might have noticed that in the list of images from PageSpeed Insights, I also had a JPEG photo. If that's the case, there's also a website that you can use for that called compressedjpeg.com. In case you want to see what the image looks like, you can always just type in the name and it'll come up there. Now if you see here, Smush It didn't find any savings from this. So like I said, it doesn't always compress them as much as possible. So you can go to compressedjpeg.com, upload the files, and do the same thing that you did with tinypng. And hopefully when you're all done compressing these manually, this optimized images will be gone from the list.